Hello, people. How you doing? Just trying to rid the world of stupidity. Here's the building of the ISS, the most accomplished feat in the history of mankind. And you look for a video to watch on the building of the International Fake Station, and you'll be pressed hard to find any that have NASA's name on it, but that one right there has the closest thing, and it also has a NASA logo in the lower corner. Okay, this here, see, push pause. See, it's got the NASA logo right there. So NASA has made this possible. And you can't strike me, YouTube, because this is for educational purposes only, and it's protected under copyright for that purpose. I'm making no money off it. I'm just here to remove stupidity and ignorance from this realm. Now, see, this here is what they show us. It just falls together. There's no man out there putting this together. It's all just pantomime BS. Now let's pause that for a second and go here. See, apparently there's the International Space Station from Endeavour, Space Shuttle Endeavour, March 24th, 2008. Now, if you're out there taking pictures while you're going to and fro, why aren't you taking pictures with your little spacemen in their spacesuits walking around out there putting this thing together? I mean, after all, it is the most accomplished feat in the history of mankind. Why wouldn't you have thousands of videos of its construction? How I got there is because I was actually looking for construction pics of the ISS, and lo and behold, there are none. You only get this pantomime crap here, but yet when you get to thinking about it in a more critical manner, this thing is going from the dark side of the Earth to the light side of the Earth, and its hull, the International Space Station hull, is made out of 2219 T6 aluminum. What is the temperature on the dark side of the moon? It is minus 400 degrees Fahrenheit. On the sunny side, it will rise to 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, what makes this real interesting is you go on to 2219 T6 aluminum, and it has a liquefaction melting point at 1190. That's to complete liquid. And when it's right at the solidus is where it's almost liquid but not quite there, it's at 1010 degrees. But how is that possible for the dark side of the Earth to be minus 400 degrees Fahrenheit and the hot side, the light side, to be 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit, with a difference of 4,400 degrees between the two, as this thing's flinging through the space, being built, going from light to dark. All them mating surfaces right there, they have to be bolted, welded, riveted, screwed together somehow, and they're all different parts. And so when you're contracting and expanding your metal like that, they're not gonna, the weld integrity's gone, the rivets are gonna be popping and breaking, the bolts are gonna be heating up and expanding and cooling down and contracting. It ain't gonna work, folks. So all you gotta do is use a little bit of common sense and reason and quit listening to what they tell you. The facts speak for themselves. See them little units right there? That one there and that one there. Them are the cooling fins for this thing to radiate that 35-40 minutes in 4,000 degree weather when it's only capable of withstanding before melting 1,010 degrees. And then after that it turns to liquid. Use your common sense and reason, people. Not one picture of this thing being built. All we get is this CGI when right here they're telling us that they're taking pictures of the International Space Station in flight through the Space Shuttle Endeavour, yet there's not one erection photograph of this International Space Station, and there's nothing on record of it being fabricated on the ground. Anyway, folks, you all think what you want. Have a good day, friends. Have a good day, enemies.